everyone and welcome back. It's Gina from orchidandopal.com, and today I have 3 of the bags of gold from the Beads of the Month Club that we're going to open up together. I shared these the past 2 years as well. It's a great end of the year promotion that they do that is in usually very high demand and sells out quickly. These are no longer available, but this is to give you a heads up if you are a subscriber of Beads of the Month Club, or if you're looking to maybe subscribe in 2022, you'll get the opportunity in the upcoming fall season to reserve some of these bags of gold for yourself. They're just $10 a piece for these grab bags, and they are a total mystery. But what you do know is you're going to get, for sure, more than $10 worth of beads. They're all going to be high quality, and they're all going to come from an assortment of their various subscription packages and clubs that they put together over the past year as they clear out their excess and prepare for a new year of subscription boxes. So if you're interested in the Beads of the Month Club, I will leave a link for them right down below the video. And I also have a coupon code, which is Opal10, that will save you 10% off the first month of your first club. They've got all different ones, and I have tons of unboxing videos of their various clubs along with a playlist, so you can check those out if you haven't already, and just spend some time looking over their website and seeing what clubs might be right for you, because they've got a lot of different options. And they're also coming out with a brand new Gemstones of the Month Club starting in January, which I will be back to share when that time comes. So let's go ahead and dig into these bags. We'll go through them one at a time and just take a closer look at what's inside and find out what surprises are in store. All right, here is a look at bag number 1. And here's a look at all of the contents. So as you can see, there are 8 bags here containing various check glass beads. Also, we have some Miyuki seed beads. You're going to get single hole shapes and multi-hole shapes. So just a little bit of everything, which of course is the point of a grab bag. So you want to be open to what kind of contents that you'll receive. So here is the first bag, and you can see that they've got marked on here a 10. Generally, they mark on there the number of grams or the weight of the beads that are included. They don't actually provide you with the name and the color of the specific beads, so that's something to keep in mind. Now, I know from doing these unboxings for a while now what a lot of the names of these beads are, and in some cases the colors as well, based on what I'm used to seeing. So like these are called the Peros Parpuca beads. They're a 2-hole bead, and these are absolutely gorgeous. Probably my favorite thing at first glance from this grab bag. And a generous quantity too. These Parpuca beads in particular can in some cases run you close to $10 just for a 10-gram amount like this. So great to see these. There's also a 10-gram bag of these golden flax colored fire polish beads. They appear to be about 6 millimeters, I believe, and I just love that color. Looks like there's about 12.5 grams of these lovely fire polish teardrops, and they have a transparent purple base. I can also see that there is some type of a light metallic luster coating over the top. They've also included a bag of the cathedral beads. It's a little hard to see these in the bag. These are a red cathedral bead, and they've got just a slight coppery metallic coating that is on either end. And once again, a very generous amount of those. Next up is a 5-gram bag of these jet black dragon scale beads. They're like a flat kite shape with the hole that is drilled directly through the top, and they've got like a silver splash that really amps up the look of the jet black. Next up is a bag of 10 grams of the Super Cheops Parpuca beads. These are also in that golden flax-like color. So even more of these high-end specialty, really adventurously shaped beads. They are pretty much shaped like a pyramid, and they have 2 holes that run through the shape. Next up is a whole 25 grams of these Miyuki seed beads. They're like an opaque teal color, and this is the quantity that you would receive in their double club, so it's a really generous amount, and that is a very beautiful shade that I use quite a bit. And then for our eighth and final bag, for bag of gold number 1, is 15 grams of fire polish beads. These appear to be a 5 or a 6 millimeter size, and they have an AB coating over the top of the crystal clear glass. Definitely an excellent start to the bags of gold. Super excited to see all of those things pop up. I know for me, all of these things will be used, and I'm always up for a mystery grab bag. It's fun to see what types of things show up, and sometimes that can push you out of your comfort zone and help you to create new things because you've gotten items to play around with that maybe you didn't quite expect. So let's go ahead and check out bag of gold number 2. And this one actually has 9 different bags for us to go through, it looks like. The number of little baggies inside will fluctuate, and it just depends on the quantities they're putting in and also the overall value. So you'll notice that the first bag of gold I had 8 bags. This one has 9. Let's go through each of these. How beautiful are those? I'm going to go ahead and take these out of the bag. These are stunning. I don't have any like this. They have this gorgeous fern-like etching that's on both sides. These are a 2-hole kite bead and a stunning blue color. The frosted look almost reminds me a little bit of sea glass. Next is a 7.5 gram bag of some super duos. These have a deep chocolatey brown appearance. They also are sort of matte. And that first bag was also 7.5 grams of the kite beads. Up next is 12.5 grams of these daggers. These have a very, very light bluish gray transparent glass background. Oh, and these are the 2-hole daggers, which adds even more value. And there's quite a few in here. You can see there that they have the 2 holes that run through the top parallel, and they have a AB coating giving them that rainbow finish over one side. Up next is a bag containing 12.5 grams of fire polish beads. These do appear to be about 6 millimeters, and they have a really cool mixture of colors coming together. Part of the bead is metallic, part is clear, and you get some of the purple and blue and green and gold all coming together in various parts of the beads. Looks like some more fire polish. These are in a sort of camel color. There's 10 grams included in this bag, look to be about 6 millimeters in size. Up next is this hefty bag of button beads, and there's 15 grams inside. It's a metallic emerald green color. And these button beads, they are like a little cone. They have a hole that runs directly through the top. Up next is a bag of 5 grams of these light gray delica beads, Miyuki delicas. Always happy to add more of these. They have that perfect cylindrical shape, which is great for brick stitch and peyote, and that's a nice neutral color. Another generous bag of seed beads. There's 25 grams inside. And there's a closer look at these. So they appear to have kind of a wine-like color, like a purpley red, and they also let some of the light through. And then the 9th and final bag inside of bag of gold number 2 is containing 5 grams of these golden colored pearls. I believe these are a 4 millimeter and could possibly have come from their Swarovski Beads of the Month Club that has come to a close this year. All right, so time for bag number 3. I'm seeing 8 different things inside of this one, maybe a couple of repeats, so that's something that you'll want to take note of, and that may happen, but I am fine with that. Let's go ahead and look at these last 8 bags. All right, so the repeats here are the Paros Parpuka beads, which are just so gorgeous. I do not mind that at all. And those Miyuki seed beads that came in that first bag that are in the beautiful teal color. Again, totally fine with that, but good thing to point out if you're looking for getting these bags of gold the next time they come around. There's also a 10-gram bag of bridge beads. These are a 3-hole bead with that medium blue, slightly brushed metallic finish. There's also 15 grams of these prong beads. They always remind me of like a little dog's claw. They have that one hole there that's closer to the straight edge. This is a stunning color. There's 12.5 grams of these 4mm fire polish beads, a really gorgeous corally pink color that looks to be opaque. Oh, I found another repeat. So this is from that first bag as well. So we have more of those purple check glass faceted drops with that lustery finish. That is such a gorgeous color too. There's also 10 grams of these 2-hole ginkgo beads with that really interesting suede-like appearance in the shade of earthy tan. And then to wrap it up, we have another bag of fire polish beads. This time they look to be about 3mm inside, and it's another stunning combination of metallic gold with like a purplish raspberry-like color as well that comes together, part of the bead being transparent, part of it having the opaque metallic coating. So there you have it. There's the lineup of everything that I received in the 3 bags of gold for 2021. And again, this is a promotion that the Beads of the Month Club puts on once a year. It comes around the end of the year. You'll get an insert if you are a current subscriber around the September, October timeframe inside of your subscription, and you can let them know how many bags of gold that you would like to reserve. They generally have to put a cap on it per person just because it's such a popular promotion, such a great deal. So when you see that flyer come in your subscription around that time frame in the fall, be sure to contact them as soon as you can if you know that's something that you want to do. So hopefully this helped to give you a heads up as to when and how that promotion comes around for the next time, and also the types of things you can expect to see in your bags of gold. I think once again they are awesome. The value is definitely there, way more than the $30 worth of beads that were purchased. Generous quantities and a great mix of things from their various clubs, all being high quality and very usable items. So be sure to check out that link right down below the video if you'd like to check out Beads of the Month Club and all the different types of clubs they have to offer. Also remember, you can use that coupon code OPAL10 to save 10% off the first month of your first club if you'd like to try them out. Feel free to leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you got in on this promotion this year or what you think about this promotion or anything else you'd like to say. Don't forget to subscribe and also give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And feel free to share the video with your other bead-loving friends. I'll be back again real soon. I have another video actually for Beads of the Month Club I will be coming back with in the next couple of days with finished pieces from everything that came in the Hot and Trendy Club for this month with the items that came in the Desert Sunset theme. So I can't wait to share those pieces very soon. I'll see you all again next time. In the meantime, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And as always, happy beading.